Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at our bull run after the wave 3 and the wave 4 here as an A, B and a C. We have triple 1, 2s here. This is our bullish scenario where we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3 in orange. And we got an ABC here and an impulse for your wave 5 again for orange, and you finish your wave 3 in the yellow with it, of course, 1, 2, 3, and you are looking right now for a very deep wave 4 in the yellow count, of course, to move up again for a wave 5. Finishing this impulse as was 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Is it that possible? Of course, it is still possible. We did not hit the invalidation level for this impulse, which is anyway very, very far, of course. And in case that we move for higher and we break the channel again, as you can see now, currently we have hit the midline of the upper part of the base channel. So if we, of course, break this base channel again and we start to range here, use it as a support again and try to break the acceleration channel, then we have to consider this is, of course, a wave 5 because it has entered, of course, to inside the acceleration channel, meaning the price in this area is accelerative and will move for higher. However, this to happen is very, very rare case scenario, especially when we break this base channel, acceleration channel, and the base channel. I mean, you can break the acceleration channel range in between here, use it as support and move towards the upside in case you're still looking for a wave 5. But breaking the base channel, that is not a really good strength signal. It might, of course, reject from there on the top and then move continuously towards the downside again in our bearish scenario. So let's take a look what is our bearish scenario. Our bearish scenario is counted here as W, X, and a Y. And this Y, of course, is a triangle here after, of course, having here several patterns. We have triangle, or we have an A, B, and a C finished here. In both case scenario, you get a 1, 2, 1, 2. In both case scenario, you get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5, and you have finished your bull run in double 1, 2s here, and double 4, 5 in the top, finishing wave 5 for your bull run. And now we are, of course, in a bearish market, considering that this is a several 1, 2s toward the downside, and we're looking right now for a wave 3, of course, for lower prices. Obviously, that this is a wave 3, due to its massive and length towards the downside, and it has, of course, reached all the target as we saw, of course, before in the previous days, right? Every target and blue box that we marked for it, we have reached it perfectly. So we have here now 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So probably we are looking for a wave 5 after this wave 4 here. And we're looking for one of these bearish scenarios. So actually we have finished the first bearish scenario. We had, of course, a possibility here was one arrow. We have already got it. And we said, of course, we're gonna retrace up, right? So, and here we go. We're retracing up. But that doesn't mean that we are done. Of course, it can, of course, continue and expand to the next scenario, which is this one, to take the CME gap at 77K, which is still open, of course, until now. And then, of course, we're not done yet. Of course, in case that we are in a bearish market, you finished only a wave A. In this case scenario, you will look for a wave B toward the upside and continue to the next bearish scenario, which is an A, B, and a C. This is your bear market. And of course, invalidation of the bullish is very, I think this is very essential to touch it in a bear market, just to say, okay, that this was the bear market and I have invalidated this bullish scenario and we have to start a new bull run. Yeah, so that's why we need to take the invalidation anyway, sooner or later, yeah, in case that we are in 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Yeah. However, so basically this is what we are looking for. Yeah, first we are looking now for a rejection probably in the top. Of course, we were expecting very high retracement or rebound here and then moving down, and then another retracement and then moving down, right, to finish this bear market and moving very, very massively and impulsively, because our bull run, new bull run, will start almost here. Do not expect, of course, that we can break this area very easily. This is a very strong support here for Bitcoin, and I believe that the next bull market will start, of course, from this area exactly, and that because we are in this bull run in a wave 1 of your wave 3, meaning this is your wave 1 and then 2, and we're looking for a wave 3, massive wave 3 toward the upside. And currently you are, of course, in the formation of a 1, 2, and 3. So this is your wave 3 of a wave 3 because all of this wave is called a wave 3. So now currently you are on 1, 2, 3 for a wave 3 over 3, meaning the most explosive and massive wave that you can have in an impulse. And this is, of course, regarding the cycles. We're talking about cycles here, meaning, of course, the wave is gonna be massive and explosive from this area, this area exactly after our bear market. Let's take a quick look on the 4-hour chart as well to see what happened yesterday. Of course, we saw some rejection here, as you can see. And as expected, yes, we have hit perfectly our target, our blue zone again. And we said, of course, next blue zone is this area. And here we go. We just got it almost, but I mean, regarding the time, it's still, of course, requiring time, but it doesn't matter. At the end, the time is not invalidation or a strict rule. It is a guideline, but of course, it's preferable that anyway we see some kind of like zigzag or a pattern here to get much more information. Yeah, so it would be nicer that because we are currently in a wave 4 for the magenta here, which is this one, and then ABC for your wave 4. Yeah, so this wave 4 has to be, of course, something sharp. Yeah, because of the alternation between wave 2 and wave 4 based on Elliott wave. Of course, here we have an expanding flat, and when you have a flat, you would like to have a zigzag in a wave 4. That's why I think that this is your wave A, B, and a C, and probably your wave C is gonna be 0.38, probably 0.5, just to play some psychology. Yeah, so and then yeah, continuation toward the downside, right? So probably 90K 500 is a very crucial. Don't forget that your channel base channel also is in this invalidation. So if we want to break, of course, to move bullish, we have to break this area. Once we break this area, then you are 70% bullish again. You want to break the second acceleration, the acceleration channel here. You want to enter it to see acceleration for the price towards the upside, of course. But yeah, you can see how much hard to say this. Of course, I mean, it's easy to say it, but it's hard to accomplish it, right? So we need, of course, a lot of levels to break. You need a great impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to play as a wave 1 and then wave 2 here and then moving toward the upside somehow like this. Yeah, and use this as a support and moving on a wave 2, like ABC wave 2 support and then moving toward the upside. So this is what we are expecting for Bitcoin. Now currently, of course, we are still in this wave 4. I believe that it's gonna be kind of a zigzag. This is a correction. I believe that it's better to keep it like this for today and see what's gonna happen next. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.